Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm here to show you this 2010 F-550 we have for sale. It has 92,000 miles. It's a 6-speed manual transmission and it's a 4-wheel drive. As you can see, it's got a utility body with a crane, and it also has an air compressor. That's a 6,400 pound auto crane. The model number is 6406H, and it's an auto crane compressor. It's got hydraulic outriggers on the back. We just put brand new tires on it. It's a really nice truck. It's in really good shape. It's got power windows, locks, power mirrors. And stuff, bed. Brand new tires. Air hose reel. There's your crank controller. That up and come up here. Show all the stuff in there. Hydraulic outriggers. It's got a big work bumper on it. This one's missing some handles here. You can replace them or don't use them. This is a one-owner truck. Show you under the hood. Got 2 brand new batteries. compressor's running. Functions on it. Looks down, pinching out, pinching back in, winch up. Boom down. Right. 120 pounds of pressure. It'll build more than that. Turn this thing off. Show you the outriggers. Got a thing here that switches from the crane to the outrigger, so I have to switch that. That one goes out and down. It'll go out further than that. This one over here just goes down. Lights work. Those are really nice, not having to manually crank those things down. Light. And your light over here is on. Okay, then just turn all this stuff back off here. And brake, idle it back down. Push your clutch in. Push that down. Takes your PTO out. Alright, I usually drive these things, but it's just too much to drive a straight shift truck and hold this camera and all this. But again, it's a 2010 F-550. Get out and walk around it. 2010 F-550, 92,000 miles. It's got brand new tires on it. 4-wheel drive, one owner truck, 6,400 pound auto crane, air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. It's a really nice truck. When you look at our trucks and look at other people's, you can tell the difference. And ours are priced cheaper than everyone else's on the market. So, you know, you're looking at a truck and it's got a rear drive tire on the front and 6 different tires, and it just, I can't believe people buy trucks that are in the condition of some of these trucks are online for sale. I think that's why mine sells so quick. People put in their ads, this thing needs nothing, and the friggin' tires will be wore completely out and be 6 different tires. Dude, come on. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852 or 256-624-6510. Our website's heavymetaltrucks.com. You can go on there and click inventory and then click the sold tab. It can show you all the sold tons of these trucks, just like this one. If you're looking to ship this truck, we can get it shipped to you anywhere in the United States. Just give us a call. We'll help you any way we can. All right, thank you for watching.